Alright guys, welcome to Pickle Motors, and today we will be installing this exhaust on my friend's IS300, and we are actually in the back of his restaurant, and I will be installing this on for him. So let's get right into it by first removing these old exhaust, this boring, ugly looking muffler thing. And we're gonna replace it with a beautiful EOS muffler delete exhaust. So first step we gotta do is unbolt it and then remove these rubber bushings, which are extremely hard, but I did bring some WD-40, and you know WD-40 always does the work. It is a silicone one. Oh no, I brought the wrong one. This is penetrating. It'll still work as lube. It is okay. Lube is lube. Here we have the exhaust in all its glory, an EOS muffler delete dual tip. We're gonna take this out of the box, get the packaging off of it, get the other one out of the box. Boom. Put that right there. Boom. Got two of them right there. Let's unpack them. This is so sketch. We're in the back of a restaurant, but it's okay, we will do with what we have. And yeah, let's unpack this. Let's do like a transition. Oh wait, I missed the lens. Wait. Boom. Beautiful exhaust. Absolutely stunning. Oh my god. I never knew a piece of metal could make wood hard. But boom, there we go. We have the exhaust, and now all we gotta do is take that junk off and put the new one on. I got one side off successfully, and it was really annoying to get off because the bolts were like seized, bro. Those things were rusted so bad, but thankfully I got them off. And this thing is off, the bushings are off of it. And here we go, one new exhaust muffler delete pipe thing ready to go in. Just need to take the other one out and get this one ready to go in, and then both of them can go in. I got one of them on, and it is looking mint. I love how it looks, bro. The dual tip on this car, this looks amazing. The other side is just empty for now, but you know, it's pretty simple. But it's always the simple things that are the most annoying. There's a bushing over there, rubber bushing over there, and there's one on the other side, two in the front, and then there's one in the back right there, and then there's two bolts. And one of those bolts is actually impossible to get to. It is up there in the freaking abyss. Like, that bolt is really easy, so it's like super easy and then super difficult. Like, your ratchet can't even get there. But I'm gonna get the last one on and we're gonna be done. Installed the exhaust on, bro. EOS exhaust is worth it. Quad tip, looking mad nice, bro. We got the two Lexuses now, both with the EOS exhaust. This is crazy, bro.